Hello everyone, how are you today? Do you remember what's this sound? Oh yes, excellent. This is sound eh. Eh. And do you remember who are the friends of sound eh and the action? Come on, let's figure this out. Let's start with the action. We pretend that we are holding an egg in our hand and we crack it into two and we say eh, 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 eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eggs in the pan, we crack the egg like this, eh. Do you know what's this? Do you remember? Yes, this is an escalator. Escalator. We often see escalators in the shopping malls and they can take us up or down. And we say escalator. Escalator. Okay, boys and girls, can you tell me something else that starts with the sound eh? Come on, tell me. It's an egg, yes. Egg. Egg. Egg is white and its yolk inside is yellow. And we all should eat egg because it makes us very strong and healthy. Egg. So we say escalator, egg. And here we have our third friend for today's sound, elbow, elbow. Elbow starts with the sound eh. Come on everyone, put your hand on your elbow and say elbow, elbow. Excellent. Good job. I want you now to think about something else that starts with the sound eh. Come on. Hello. Do you know me? Do you know who I am? Oh yes, I am the elephant. And I start with the sound elephant. Hello, Mr. Elephant. So we say elephant. Okay, who can tell me what color is the elephant? Oh, yes, the elephant is gray. Excellent. And can you tell me, the elephant is big or small? It's big. Excellent. And now it's time to know how do we trace sound eh. Ready for this, boys and girls? We start from the dot, we move to the right and up, round, 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 down and stop. Excellent. One more time. We start from the dot, we go right and up, round, 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 down, round and stop. And now it's singing time.
Eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, crack the egg like this.